So now you've had the iovera done before your left knee replacement. You now get the left knee replacement. Tell me about the pain that you had after surgery and for the following, 6 weeks. Kind of summarize for me. How did you feel?
Big difference. And how do I know? Because I didn't get it on my right knee. Big difference. I wanted to drive quicker. I didn't feel hardly any pain, so I got off my medication quicker, my pain medication. And compared to the right knee, I didn't have to take pain medication to go to therapy. Also, that was even, 2-3 weeks. I did my therapy probably a whole month weekly. So I didn't even have to take my pain medication to go to therapy like I did with my right knee. And I was still feeling this thing, this numbness in that area. Didn't feel the stitches. I can see it. Didn't feel the swirl, and even though I can see it, I just didn't feel it. And I felt all of that on my right knee, comparatively. Definitely. I had to take medicine on my right knee to go to therapy. I stayed on my pain medication much longer on the right knee too. Clearly there was no doubt about that.